Hi, this is Sohali Khan.
Hello, I'm Veer Das.
And you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.
Let's have like a bit of a rapid fire now as well.
What?
So
Oh God.
yeah, so we'll start with Veer Das now,
Yes,
if you allow. Okay, so rapid fire with Veer Das. A weird thing about Soha you never knew before working with her.
Weird thing about Soha that I never knew about working with her is that
Before working with her.
before working with her is she's addicted to Diet Coke.
Alright, as you've done some superb stand-up comedy, who from India according to you has been the best stand-up comedian?
Johnny Lever. There's never been anybody close. There will never be anybody close to Johnny Lever. He's the king.
He's too good. If you have to roast someone from Bollywood, who will it be?
If I have to roast somebody from Bollywood, I will then get into trouble and there will be PILs against me and there will be some court cases against me.
Hypothetical.
So I would roast, I would go to anybody in Bollywood's house, get a chicken from them and roast that chicken quietly in my house and eat the
That's a
chicken.
very safe answer. That's a very safe answer. If you have to just name anyone. It's a hypothetical situation, so it's not happening. So
I think Baman would be great at a roast.
Baman Irani.
The roast of Baman Irani would be fun because he'd
Okay.
take it and he'd give it back also.
Okay, one word for the following trends: censorship and comedy.
Censorship in comedy is like water and oil. They should never mix.
Okay, banning Pakistani artists.
Banning Pakistani artists is something that I don't think the government or the army is focusing on. They've got amazing and big things that they are focused on.
Correct. Okay. Failure of sex comedies in Bollywood.
Failure of sex comedies in Bollywood
You've been a part of it as well.
boils down to the story. Has nothing to do with sex comedies. Has to do with the story. If you've got a good story, your film will succeed. If you've got a bad story and you haven't made it well, your film will not succeed.
Cool.
One word answers.
No, it's a rapid fire. मतलब मैं rapidly बोल
I'm
रहा
going to be very bad at this.
No, it's fine. If you get a chance to star in one of the American television series, which show you'd love to star in?
House of Cards.
A recent film from Bollywood that was so bad that it was good.
A recent film from Bollywood that was so bad that it was good. I'm not gonna say which one, but I'm just gonna say it had a messenger in it.
It's having success party now, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what film you're talking about.
It had shows.
You know, some films have, all films have messages in it.
If you're a superhero, what will be your superhero name?
My superhero would be Funny Man.
Funny man.
People with humor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the chaddis that say F on them.
You know, so he's been pretty good actually.
Yeah, but I'm really bad at this and he's
You'll
a
have to accept
stand-up
it.
comedian and all. I'm like,
No,
oh.
stand-up comedian is not improvised. We write that stuff down. Like preparation रहता है उसमें.
Yeah, but it's, it comes to you naturally.
Okay, so rapid fire with Soh Ali Khan now. Weirdest thing faced by you for being a Nawab?
Weirdest thing. Firstly,
Yeah.
I'm not a Nawab, I'm Nawab Zadi.
Nawab Zadi.
He's nodding over there. Yes, that's true.
And an Nawabzadi from the London School of Economics.
London
Yeah.
School of Economy. You have to
Weirdest
say
thing
the-
faced by me.
Ji.
No.
Surely a mob saying Nawabzadi. Hello.
Yeah, I don't know.
So the rapid part.
We'll move on.
I'll come back to that.
Yeah. Saif Ali Khan, Kunal Khemu and Veer Das worked together in Go Goa Gone. Who was best of them all? One is your brother, one is your husband, and one is sitting with you right now, his co-star.
Veer was very good. Kunal was good. And Bhai was also good.
Kunal was the best in that.
But I do think Kunal was the best in that.
he was the
It might
best
have
in
something to do with the fact that he wrote the dialogues and gave himself like really funny dialogues.
Slightly. But beyond that, he also did the best job in the movie.
That scene with your girlfriend was funny also in the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, Kunal.
A film of Saif you think he never should have done?
There's, I don't know what the film is, but there was a Chuha song. Have you seen the Chuha song? I'll show it to you later. I'm pretty sure they should never have. They actually shot with the Chuha. And this was. Aapko pata hai? Chuha song? Nahi? Please look up the Chuha song. I'm not sure who else was in the film, but that film perhaps we could have done without.
Okay. A weird thing about Veer you never knew before working with him.
Veer is weird.
Weird ass.
Yeah. He wears girly shoes. Look at his shoes. Can you see his shoes? Is that all right?
Yeah, it's fine. फूल है यार मेरे शू पे. मतलब आदमी लोग भी पहनता है कभी-कभी. सिक्योर है एकदम.
Yeah, Veer is obviously very secure in his sexuality.
Alright.
If my wife is watching,
Which actors from Bollywood you think are perfect fit for the following genres? Comedy.
Veer.
thank you. Thank you.
It's like winning an Oscar at that moment. Action.
Akshay Kumar.
Romance.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Satire.
Satire is a tricky one. Amir Khan.
Okay. Mafia.
Ajay Devgan.
Alright. Most underrated film and actor of Bollywood. Most underrated, I think, film as well as actor. The film that you felt is the most underrated and actor.
Well, like I know, I mean, it's not underrated, but Andaz Apna Apna didn't get its due at the box office.
Ji, bilkul.
Should have made like lots of money because it's my favorite film of all time.
Correct.
And underrated actors.
Kunal I think is very underrated.
Yeah, but I'm hopeful that he won't be underrated
Yeah.
for very long. But yeah, absolutely, he's on the list. But I was trying to think of someone who I'm not like married to or
Okay.
related to.
You're married to
everybody. The whole industry of Arjun Kunal Khemu you are not married to. Deepak Dobriyal.
There are many examples
Yeah.
of people. I feel like there's more overrated people than under. I mean, yeah.
And-
Yeah, there are a lot more people who are
Okay,
overrated.
all right, great.
Okay, moving on.
Great. If you could be any cartoon character, which one would you be?
I want to be Sherlock Holmes. He's not a cartoon character, but he's
you
a
like-
fictional character.
So you like to
Comes
be Sherlock Holmes?
Cartoon characters. I want to be. I want to be Bugs Bunny.
Bugs Bunny. Okay, I think we have
He's smart.
we have a clear winner actually. So, but
Okay,
Let's see.
firstly, you did not tell me that the rapid fire is also a competition. You said the first one was a competition.
rapid
But a
fire
competition
is
for what? He
always-
doesn't have a hamper. Where
Rapid
is the
fire is-
Hangama hamper?
Oh, thank you.
How
Thank you
cool,
so
man.
much. Do you always? Wow, there's like.
Headphones, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yay.